If you are wondering if you need to purchase the original power adapter for POCO X8 Pro, then the answer is no, not really. Although, of course, the original genuine Xiaomi, POCO or Redmi power adapter is the preferred choice, the most optimal one, it is not really necessary to use a Xiaomi power adapter. For example, I use a Realme power adapter and it works just fine. I can still charge my phone, the charging speed is pretty good. So, you know, if you have already a power adapter that has, let's say, 100 watts or more, then you can probably use it in order to charge your POCO X8 Pro. Even if you have a power adapter that has less than 100 watts, it's still fine. You can still use it to charge your phone, but of course, you can upgrade it at some point if you want that, if you decide to do so. But no, you don't have to purchase specifically Xiaomi power adapter to be able to charge your POCO X8 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.